Hi there, Micah here with Barber and Haskill, and today we're going to do a couple cool things. I'm going to first show you how easy it is to get a charcoal barbecue going, and then what we're going to do is we're going to make a vegetable stir fry on the Weber wok on the Weber charcoal. So the easiest thing in the world for charcoal is using the Weber chimney. What I've done is I filled it with charcoal, and then what I do is grab these lighter briquettes, paraffin wax. So instead of using lighter fluid or paper or anything, all you do is you drop 2 of these down in. Grab a lighter. Light the 2 cubes. Now once you have the cubes lit, all you do is you set your chimney on top of the lighter cubes. And all you do is set your timer for 15 minutes. And then we'll be back in 15 minutes to see us set the charcoal briquettes. All right, so the charcoal has been going in the chimney for about 15 minutes. You kind of know when the charcoal's ready to go, when the big clouds of smoke die down. So now what we're gonna do, first of all, make sure you got some good gloves on because they will have a lot of sparks. What you do is you take the chimney, give it a good shake, get that fire going, get all the charcoal lit. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna dump it in our charcoal baskets. Now all you gotta do is put your grate back on. Put the seasoned wok back in and let it heat up for a minute, and we'll be right back to start the vegetarian stir fry. So the charcoal has been going for a few minutes now with the wok in it. It's all nice and hot. So what we're gonna do now, open it up. You can see the liquid's all nice and hot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by adding in garlic. There's never really any real measurement to garlic. You can put as much as you want, right? So get the garlic in, give it a little wang jangle. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop in a bunch of broccoli. Shake that around a bit. Then we're gonna dump 1 egg in there. So now that the broccoli and garlic and egg is in, what we'll do is we'll close the lid and give it a couple minutes, and then we'll come back and put some more in. Okay, so the broccoli and garlic has been in there for a few minutes now. So what we're gonna do, open it up. What we're gonna do is add some rice noodles. Now what I've done is I soak the rice noodles in water overnight instead of cooking them. Kind of helps them from not getting all stuck together as well. So I'm gonna dump in the rice noodles. Give it a little wang dangle. And then I'm gonna add the sauce. Now the sauce, you can really do anything you want, but this sauce here is 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, and 3 tablespoons soy sauce. Stir that around a bit. We'll close the lid and give it a couple more minutes. Okay, so the broccoli, garlic, noodles, sauce have all been in there for a few minutes now, cooking. What we're gonna do now is open it up. I'm gonna add in a handful of bean sprouts. And a whole whack of spinach. We'll stir that around. And then what we're gonna do is just close the lid, let the spinach wilt a bit, and then we are ready to serve. All right, so we're ready for the finished product here, and literally the stir fry took, I don't know, 10, 12 minutes. Easiest thing in the world. So you'll see the spinach and everything has wilted a bit. Give it a stir. Easy stir fry on the Weber charcoal. Okay, so the stir fry is done now and all plated. Now what I like to do when it's done and topping it, put some crushed peanuts on it. For more flavor. And top it with some fresh cilantro. And there you have it, a very easy, simple vegetable stir fry done on the charcoal Weber barbecue.